Hello guys, let's continue further with the integration which we were learning based on substitution method, right? So let's start with question number 21. Integration of tan square 2x minus 3. Okay, now uh, we know only integration related to sec square, right? Integration is tan x. So tan square we can convert to sec square using trigonometry. So tan square can be written as, I'm using trigonometry first, sec square 2x minus 3 plus minus 1, right? So okay, we had to integrate tan square, so let's integrate sec square. So sec square integration would be what? Sec square integration would be tan. So it is tan of 2x minus 3 divided by x coefficient, right? X coefficient, and then minus 1 integration is x. So my answer is tan 2x minus 3 over 2 minus x plus c, right? Okay, let's try question number 32. Now it is 1 over 1 plus cot x. It's better if we convert this to sine and cos, right? So we get 1 over 1 plus cos over sine, correct? So I'm solving it here. We will get sine x over sine x cos x, right? Then what can we multiply up and down? Down by 2, right? So 2, and outside we divide by 2, right? Okay, that will give half of integration of 2 sin x can be written as sin x plus cos x, right? Plus sin x minus cos x all over sin x plus cos, and that gives integration of sin x plus cos x all over sin x plus cos x will give us 1 plus rest we will write like this, sin x minus cos x. So after we have got this, we'll integrate it like this. I'm solving it here. Half of integration of 1 is x, right? Plus integration of sin x minus cos x over sin x, right? Okay. Now how to integrate this part? If we suppose the denominator part as u, let's say I am writing it sin x plus cos x. So when we differentiate it, we get cos x minus sin x dx equal to du. Now here we have sin x minus cos x, so we can say as minus du, right? So half x minus integration of du over u, which is half of x minus, this part is what? ln u, and that is of sin x plus cos x with plus c. Okay, hope it makes sense. Let's try next. Have a look at number 37. Seems difficult, but actually not. Number 37 says x cube sine of tan inverse x to the power 4 all over 1 plus x to the power 8. Now what we will do? We will suppose this entire part as u, tan inverse x to the power 4. Why? Because this is the most complex part that seems to be resolved, right? So I suppose this as u. So x to the power 4 would be, and then we'll find the differentiation. So when we differentiate it, we get 4x cube dx equal to sec square u du. Okay guys, now I think we are getting into the correct form, because we have, let me write the question. For x cube and dx, we will write sec square u du over 4, right? So I'm writing 1 over 4 sec square, right? X cube dx, I'm writing sec square u du over 4. For sine of this much, I will write sine of inverse part was u, and all over 1 plus x to the power 8. For x to the power 8, I will write as x to the power 4 whole square, right? And was tan u. So here only I will write it as, I will replace this as tan, right? It is tan u whole square, correct? Okay, fine. Okay. Then what? This is 1 over 4 integration of sine u sec square u, or u is what? Sec square u from, so it is 1 over 4 integration of sine u is what? Minus cos u, because u part was tan inverse x to the power 4, minus 1 over 4 times cos tan inverse x to the power 4 plus c, right? That is my final answer. Fine. Let's try question number 39. You can see here 39 is an objective question. Anyway, we'll solve it. Integration of dx over sine square x cos square x. Okay. Now, what we will do in such a question, means when we have sine square and cos square multiplication. So one of the ways we can think of, I'm solving it here. For numerator, I will try to write as sine square x plus cos square. For one, I have written that, right? And that is over sine. Now the benefit is we can break it up, right? So sine square x over the whole part, and then plus cos square x over the whole part. So sine square x over sine square x times cos square x plus integration of cos square x over sine square x cos square x, right? Now one sine is cancelled, no, not one sine sine square is cancelled, and here cos square is, we get is 1 over cos square x here is nothing but sec. In the second part we get 1 over sine square x, which is nothing but, and we know is tan x, and cosec square x integration minus cot x. So we are done. Okay, thank you for today.